morning and very warm welcome to all my dear students. Today we're going to be doing our fifth unit of practice book, that is describing words. Do you know what describing words are? Children, before that let's revise the definition of naming words. So naming words are the name of person, place, things, animals or birds. But can you tell me that all the naming words are same or different? Children, all the nouns are different. Some are tall, some are short, some are old, some are strong, some are happy. Now let's read the definition of an adjective. So children, an adjective is a word that describes a naming word or noun, that describes or that tells us more about a naming word or noun. The words that describe, as will not come here children, okay? The words that describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called adjectives. Means the words which tell us about the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called adjectives. So adjectives simply, in other words, adjectives are the words which describes the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Now see, tall girl. So here tall is an adjective. Big temple. Temple is a noun, but big is an adjective. From this word, from big word, we can find that how big this temple is. So it is the quality of a temple. It is describing a noun. It is describing temple, that the temple is big. Clever fox. Clever fox. So clever word is describing the fox. Means the clever is really very clever. The fox is really very clever. So the clever is an adjective. Blue chair. It is telling us the color of the chair. Okay, that the chair is of blue color. Okay, so this blue word is an adjective which is describing the chair. So children, words for numbers, colors, size and shapes are also adjectives. Words for numbers like 1, 2, 3, ONE 1, TWO 2, colors blue, red, green, size big, small and shapes, okay, are also adjectives. One hen, okay, so here one is an adjective. It is telling us that how many hens, okay, are there, and two chicks, okay, two is also an adjective. Red car, I have already told you that words like red, okay, like numbers and shapes, these are also adjectives. So this word red here is telling us the quality of the color or the color of the car, okay, color of the car. So this is round table. Table is round, so round is an adjective because it is describing the table, that the shape of the table is round. So round is also adjective. 1, 2, red and round, all these words are adjectives children. So 1 is telling us the number, 2 is also telling us the number, red is telling us the color and round is telling us the shape. Okay, so an adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like. Beautiful girl. This girl is so beautiful. So beautiful word is an adjective. Salty chips. How chips are? What is the quality of chips? Salty. Okay, taste of the chips, salty. So it is telling us about the taste of the chips. Okay, so salty word is also an adjective. How is the pillow? Pillow is really soft. So soft is telling us about the quality of pillow. Okay, so this is also an adjective. Fresh fragrance. Fresh is an adjective. Loud music. Loud. How something sounds. The music is too loud. So loud word is an adjective. So all these words are adjectives. Beautiful, salty, soft, loud. Thank you children. Have a nice day. I hope you all have understood the concept of adjectives. Tomorrow we'll start doing the exercise of this unit. Bye bye.